Hey, and welcome back to another episode from the Postapocalyptic Garage. Today I was walking around the property painting some metal parts, which has got pretty rusty over the last winter, and because it seems that absolutely nothing goes according to plan right now, I ran out of spray paint. What I found searching around the garage is some standard brush-on paint or roll-on paint, but I have to paint some pretty hard to get areas which are not really suitable for brushing it on or rolling it on. So I thought, why don't waste another 3 hours of my time trying to build something which lets me spray on the paint, just like with a regular spray paint can. But before we do that, I want to make two announcements. So I know that especially after my last two videos, which the first one was a Q&A and the second one was the collaboration with Alien Go Boom, some of you mentioned in the comments that you are kind of afraid that there are no more build videos on this channel, and I can assure you that's not the case. This channel is all about building stuff, it's all about DIY. But when you remember how the channel started, we've also done some outdoor and some survival skills and some things like that. So these topics will still have their place here on the channel, but most of the videos will still be DIYs. The next thing I want to tell you is that over the course of the next 3 weeks, I will spend most of the time in Germany. This weekend I'm going to the northern part of Germany to visit some friends. And in the following 2 weeks I'm on a contract in the upper part of Bavaria, so right in the middle of Germany. So maybe I will not be able to upload any videos at this time, but I encourage you to take a look at my Facebook site, give the site a like, turn on the notifications, because there I will post where I am exactly at this time. So if you're in the region, just join me, came over, drink a beer in the evening, talk a little bit about the things you are interested in, and maybe tell me some of your ideas which you have for this channel. So if you want to meet me and you're in Germany at the same time as I am, go onto my Facebook page, leave me a message there, and if you want to come over, you can. But enough talking for now, just continue with today's project. So right now we're pretty much finished with our basic work, and the last thing to do now is just thinning up the paint a little bit so that it's sprayable. Most of the times your regular brush on paint is way too thick to put it in a spray bottle or even spray it with some kind of industrial device, so you just need a little bit of paint thinner. And you should always read the instructions on the can very carefully, because there are mostly two types of paint out there. Some are water-based, so you thin them up using just water. Other ones are solvent-based, so you need some kind of industrial paint thinner for them. So after all, it looks like that our little device here is working pretty good. I have to say, I had to pump it up to about 50 psi for it to work properly. And if I'm going to do this another time, I will definitely get some other kind of bottle with a wider neck here, because it will be much more easy to work with, and yeah, it's not so much of about fiddling the valve inside and so. But for what it is, it works, and it saved me going 5 miles to the next hardware store, which would have been a lot cheaper and a lot less time consuming, but I think I have proved the concept. So that's it for today, guys. As I said in the beginning, don't forget to check out my Facebook page if you are in Germany and you want to visit me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you not already have, and also if you just have $1 spare a month, please consider becoming a Patreon, because it don't hurt you and it helps me a lot. So now I will continue my work, going outside and painting some stuff, and we will see us in my next video. So have a good evening, guys, and goodbye.